Welcome to the third advanced tutorial in our Photoshop series. We'll be talking about the Hue and Saturation layer, which works similar to our other layer and adjustment tutorials. Here I have my own image open from before. To set up a Hue and Saturation layer, just like before, we'll go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer. Then put a new Hue and Saturation layer down on top of the original image. So with Hue and Saturation, we can see that we can adjust the layer's color's hue. The saturation, how deep the colors are, or how light they are, to grayscale, or lightness, how dark or light in general the image is. In an image, you can make the colors much more vibrant by sliding the saturation more to the right than usual. Here we can see our copy image stand out much more visually. And if we change the hue towards more of a red spectrum, we can get the copy image to be very strong in color indeed. Use the lightness slider to make sure that things aren't too bright, as extremely vibrant color can be akin to looking into the sun for some viewers of your images. That's all for this tutorial, as you can change images you see fit to make them pop.